Now that we've covered all the points, all the questions on the Standard Form 1408 pre-evaluation checklist, let's move to some features that go beyond mere compliance. As I mentioned earlier, the requirement to calculate indirect rates is not part of the pre-award survey, but certainly after you've received a contract award, they very much become part of your incurred cost electronic lease process, and I'll talk about that momentarily. So let's take a look at a report called the Analysis of Indirect Rates. And what this report, the purpose of this report is to keep track of your actual rates. You have a pool, which is your numerator, and your base, which is your denominator. So the system will keep track of year-to-date and period-to-date rates against your actual expenses versus your budgets. So in this particular case, you're a little overspent on your rates, but again, this can be run at any point in time within Sympaq for all of your tiers being fringe overhead and general and administrative.